Hello, this is Mari Lane from the Buying Space channel. I'm doing an unboxing today from Angie, the Real Housewife. And you thought that you knew the Real Housewife, but you don't unless you know Angie. Angie has been doing frequent auctions lately, and I've really enjoyed buying inexpensive things for my household from her. I had previously bought another sheet set that I was very happy with. So here we are with another sheet set. She's recycled this box, which I appreciate. Need to use our resources wisely. I cut off the address label to me, but I guess I need to not show the address label on here from where it was used before either. The last set I got from her was beige and brown based sheet set, and this is a gray style sheet set. She knows how to use tape. She's like me. I get criticized in my family for using tape too much. And, oh, it's a fold-out box. Oh, it's just got glitter. Now there's two, from what I understand, pillowcase covers in here in this gray style pattern with like a mauve and beige. Actually, this would pillow sham would also go with the set that I purchased from her last time, or the sheets, the fitted sheet especially. And here is the second sham. So you fit your pillow. Oh, this is the actual pillowcase. It's hard to show how beautiful that is in this light. There's underneath or above the striping, there is a pattern that's in a slightly darker beige than the lightest beige. That's the pillowcase. Here's the other pillowcase, and it's got this nice edging at the top with the diamond shaped, and then a layer or stripe of the pattern that's over top of the multicolored pattern. And here's the sham that there's this slit in the back to put your pillow in. And you don't have to put a pillowcase on the pillow that's in your sham unless you want. And here is the fitted sheet? Oh, where is it? Or is this the flat? Let me look at the other one. This is definitely the flat sheet. Okay, gonna show the beauty of it this way on the flattest side. And this is definitely the fitted sheet. And even though these are folded nice and everything, I'm still gonna throw them in the washer. It's just a thing of mine. You know, when I buy something particularly used, although this is in really good condition and it smells nice and everything, I just am a creature of habit. Yes, here's the corners. And let me see if I can find the tag. This is a queen set, and I'm very happy. I got these. I got the fitted and the flat sheet, the two pillowcases, and the two pillow shams for $8. Unheard of. What a great value. And thank you, Angie. I appreciate the good values I'm getting at your auction. And it's always a pleasure to be in your room. You don't have too many guests on, and you don't have too many people in the room. When I go to an auction that's over 300 people, I don't get really a chance to bid or socialize or do anything because, it's just scrolling too fast, and I don't know how the moderators in the room keep track of what the bids are. And to me, it's just a big mess. But your auctions are always pleasant and very easy to follow what everybody's doing, and we get to socialize a little, which I like. And I like a combination of being able to socialize and actually having the auction and have it done fairly and professionally. And I appreciate it. Thank you so much.